by rioters and criminals, do not come to me and ask me to save your sorry ass.
Boy, you can't even put together an outfit. How you gonna put together a defense? Come on now. That straight ass build hat with that buffalo you got going on there. Is that supposed to be like a chain? Or I can't tell if that's like one of them friendship necklaces, you know, we like wove together in grade school and you pairing it with a hoodie and a denim jacket. And I think you got a mullet going on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we good, boo. I got excellent grouping and we ain't scared, but I ain't calling on your ass. I'll be just fine. Okay, thanks. Bye.